Hello guys, it's me Ayos from Ayos Video House. On today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to erase your phone, your missing or stolen phone. So, firstly, you have to go to your Chrome browser. You have to go to it. After going to your Chrome browser, you make sure your Gmail you sign into your phone is signed into your Chrome. Then Chrome will bring out the Gmail at the top here. You have to tap on the Gmail. Then you'll see manage your account. You have to tap on the manage the account. After tapping on manage the account, it will lose for sometimes and to bring out some settings. Then these are some things, information about your Gmail. Then you go to security. Then it will show all the old device your phone has been signed into. So that's my phone there. You have to tap on manage your device. After tapping on it, you'll see your device there. Then you tap on find lost device. After tapping on the find lost device, it will tell you to write the password of your Gmail for security purpose. Then after writing it, then press next. It will bring out audio device again, so you choose the device you want to erase. So I want to erase iOS, that's my phone. So you can make the phone ring, you can locate the phone, but that's not where we are going. And then that's the erase device there. Consider erasing your device, that's it right there. And then you can call the phone too. You can sign out of the phone. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.